Okay, so this morning our old, reliable, original 2003 Dyson Animal died. Still kind of works, but it's wearing out and I had to take it apart and the belt's not turning very well. It's just old and hard to keep parts for it. But it's been a good one and we're gonna miss it. And so we decided, hey, let's get a new vacuum. So now that cordless is the rage, we decided to get the Dyson Animal. It's kind of cool. It's cordless. It can run for 40 minutes on a charge. At least that's what they say. And I like the purple. It is, after all, 2018, and we may not have our flying cars, but damn it, we can have a cordless vacuum. So let's take a look and see what's inside, shall we? Look at these things. Ooh, activate your warranty online, and all kinds of wonderful support. We'll say one thing, Dyson is awesome when it comes to support and parts. I know with the old model, when it was 5 years old, the hose broke on it, and they replaced it for free. So, a couple attachments here. Not the crevice, this is the angle. We can get things from top on what they call that. Different attachments, crevice tool. I'll probably use that more than anything else. And our cats are getting into the picture here. The animal, his little attachment is to be used for stairs or cat beds, furniture, anything, especially with a lot of cat hair on it. Charger. This is the rod.
Look how curious she is.
I know, she's very curious. Oh. This is everything right here. This is the kit and caboodle. And I know that if I turn it down, oh, she does not like that. She does not like that. But it's pretty quiet. Should I turn it on? I'll put it on regular suction. Pretty quiet.
It's not bad at all.
And this is on max. Support and attachment. Here is the motor. Bar. Okay. And very simple assembly looks like. It's literally click, click, and you're done. I mean, it doesn't get any more simple than this. This is a cool feature. This is the cool feature about this. So you clean this. Okay, so this lifts up. And after this lifts up, the bottom pops out. Kind of cool. I like that. It's kind of neat. So to close it, you just push it in and then close. 20% charge. Charge fully before use. Okay, like that. Take this part and assemble it like that, and that's it. This can be attached either here or here, either one. So you take an attachment and stick it in here. Power cord, obviously the US version or North American version. You can plug it in directly here manually, or you can feed the wire through the charger and it will do it on its own. We are going to let this charge for a little bit and then we will give a demonstration of it being used. Cat hair. I purposely put cat hair on the carpet just to see how well it picked up. And here we go. Okay, so this is a win. I like this. Just lift this up. It pops just like that. You put it back together, you just push this down and click. Charging it, it does blink to indicate how charged or uncharged it is. So when you push the button when it's running, you can see the charge. The combination attachment. So try to get this cat hair out, and we'll see how it does.
For this area right in here.
Right. And there it is. Okay, so what's my impression of this?
Yes.
It's an awesome vacuum. I think it's worth the money. It's a little pricey, but being able to go around the entire house with this without having to plug it in is really beneficial. And I think will keep a cleaner house because, you see something on the floor, you don't have to drag the vacuum out. Now you just get this thing out, do what you gotta do, put it up, and you're done.